Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the Gypsum Cornice as we created in our previous video. If you haven't watched our previous video, please watch. I will leave the link in the description below. And I already installed this without you, and don't worry, I leave these edges for you. I will install these edges and will show you how I installed this one. And let's get started. If you see, we have an old gypsum cornice here. To install this, we need to measure this one and we mark the same dimension here like this, and the same we need for the ceiling side. It's 90 millimeters, and here and here. Okay, and the same thing we're going to mark here like this. Okay, if you see, it's ready now, and we should start off painting here in order to get a good contact with the drywall, ceiling drywall. And let's do this. It's 320 millimeters from here, and like this, and the same thing. Actually, we have a line here. Okay, and let's measure again. You see, I prepared the gypsum cornice by using only a gypsum powder. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch and subscribe to our channel to support the channel, and give the thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And I'm going to cut it here, and from this line we mark a 90 degrees angle, and our measurement was 90 millimeters from here. And now we are going to mark it like this, and we check our gypsum cornice for how it fits here. Don't worry about this gap. We fill with the gypsum powder for our and we pour the gypsum to this side like this and like this. Okay, and we take a knife and a small one here we should take a small amount of water to soak the glaze. Now let's and now we took a small amount of gypsum again and start to fill the gaps here. We take the brush with the water and start to clean all these edges slowly. The remains of the gypsum will remove with the brush. And we cut the same way the 45 degrees from this side. Don't forget to heavy side will be the bottom side of the Gypsum Cornice, and we need to get this, not allow the gypsum powder to dry so fast, and we saw the wall and ceiling, and you see I scratched off the whole painting here. And now
Nem ezt stalkol.
you see how it looks, and because a new gypsum cornice is wet and we didn't paint it yet, and they will become the same color. Okay, let's continue on. Okay. Now it's time to complete the corner, and our dimension from this to the corner, from the last gypsum cornice and to the corner is 170 millimeters. And as you know, we should turn our cornice to other side of the wall, and we add 90 millimeters to the 170 millimeters. It would be mark it like this. In order to cut the corner.
Quindi quel modo.
Okay, and we got to the corner and we should cut it like this and join these two cornice together, and we put the 90-degree angle here and make it like this and let's mark it. Okay, like this. Okay, now we are going to cut the small piece of cornice, gypsum cornice, and install it and finish our work and to fix these cracks. And we cut this edge 45 degrees and you see how perfect corner we get here, and you see all the cornice.